how to manually backup photos from iPhone to the external drive. Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So the way that I would do it if I wanted to just move some photos from the iPhone to an external drive is at first I need to have it ready, right? So whatever it is, it might be an SD card like SSD drive or even a USB stick, but the whole point is that I need to figure out the way to connect it to my iPhone. So the iPhone has the USB-C or Lightning port, but let's say I want to put it on this SD card, I just cannot like insert it into the iPhone, and that's why I need like a little adapter in between, right? So I just have to place it like that, connect the thing to the iPhone, and snap my SD card right here into the reader. And once I connect it through this setup, the iPhone should recognize the external drive. I can check out if it's the case by going to the Files app, and if I go back with the left arrow, I'm going to go to the locations, and the SD card or external storage should show up to be part of the list right here. So once it is right there, then it just means that the phone has recognized it, and I can begin transferring the photos or backing them up. Then I can go to the Photos app, specifically decide which pictures I want to move there. So I perhaps can select so many of them or just a few, whatever. But I'm going to click on Share, then proceed to the Save to Files. And from the locations in here, I'm naturally going to pick the external storage. So I don't save it on my iPhone local storage, but into the external drive right there. So just make sure that you give it a time, depends on the size of the image and the speed of your connection, but perhaps it will take a while, so do not disconnect the device before it's fully ready. So that is about it from me. Let me know if it worked for you. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you in the next videos as well. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.